Welcome to my channel. Well, straight to the point to teach you about tips to clean up your PC. First, press Windows button plus or button to launch, run, then type temp and press enter. After that, select all the files you see here and select delete. Don't worry, this method just delete your PC's junk files only and not your important files, just let it go. Then, launch the Run application again and type %temp% and press enter. Same steps, just select all the files available here and select delete. Next, launch the Run application again and this time you type prefetch and hit enter. Select all the files and click on Delete button. Next step is to go to your PC's settings and navigate to System, Storage, and turn on the Storage Sense feature. This is an automatic cleanup tool that frees up disk space by deleting unnecessary files, like temporary system/app files, old recycle bin items, and unused cloud-backed files, like OneDrive. Next step, we must navigate to Startup Apps in Settings. Navigate to Settings and click on Apps and next click Startup. Select the application that you think is not necessary to auto-start as soon as your PC boot up and turn the application off. This will make your PC boot up time faster and smoother than before. Then, the step is to uninstall your unused application that make your PC feels heavier and slow. Click on Windows logo and type Control Panel, click Enter. Make sure to click Uninstall Programs under Program section. If you not see it, just change the view by selection to Category. Then it will show you a list of all the applications and programs that you have installed it before. Select the unnecessary apps and uninstall it to make your PC lighter. Last step, search for Disk Cleanup and launch it. Select the drive you want to make it clean and lighter. Select the type of files that you want to delete or remove from your PC. Click on OK and confirm it. Wait for the disk to be clean, restart your PC, and yeah, that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe and support this channel to grow bigger and helps many more people. Thank you.